Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a card on Binance. This innovative Visa debit card connects directly to your Binance account, allowing you to effortlessly spend your digital assets. Imagine using your crypto for everyday purchases at over 60 million locations worldwide. The card offers real-time conversion of your cryptocurrency into fiat, ensuring a smooth and convenient payment experience every single time you use it. Before applying, you need a fully verified Binance account. This means completing the identity verification process, often called KYC, which is a standard security measure. It ensures your account is secure and compliant. Also, confirm that the Binance card services are offered in your current country of residence, as availability can vary by region. The application process is straightforward. First, log into your Binance account and find the dedicated card section. You will then confirm your delivery address and how your name appears on the card. Next, create a secure 4-digit PIN for your physical card. Upon successful application, a virtual card is issued instantly, ready for online purchases or adding to mobile payment apps. Your physical card typically arrives within 1 to 3 weeks. The Binance card offers fantastic benefits, including up to 8% cashback on eligible purchases, paid directly in Binance Coin. You will appreciate that there are no annual or initial issuance fees. Funding your card is simple. Just transfer your desired cryptocurrency from your Binance Spot wallet to your funding wallet. This card supports various cryptocurrencies, allowing flexible spending for your daily needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.